So we founded ReMendIt with the intention of really helping property management professionals improve their day-to-day work.
ReMendIt is a workflow management software that helps building managers, building operators, property managers, and many other property management professionals to stay on top of their maintenance activities and vendor progress.
We found through a number of conversations with individuals that they spent a large portion of their day really doing manual contacts with some of their service providers and vendors, and we really wanted to make that process a lot simpler and easier for property managers.
Imagine coming into work and trying to remember where you left off yesterday, right? All of your corrective maintenance, preventive maintenance, asset management related work, your inspections, it's a lot. What ReMendIt does is organizes all of your tasks together, and the software will help you plan, manage, and complete your long-term and short-term tasks and activities.
The whole point of this system is to allow you as a property manager to interact with your vendors and your service providers throughout the day. So imagine assigning service requests, approving reviews of service orders, checking on status of the service requests through the day, as well as ultimately approving new quotes and pay orders as well. Patel and I actually met at our previous organization. We worked together for a number of years in the sales group at another software company in the city, and where Tella was working in sales operations, and I was actually managing the sales team.
And then we left the company almost at the same time. And I was interested to share an idea with him because we had such a great relationship, and that's what I did. And one of those lucky people who got to hear a yes. Jeff was very interested. I was like, yeah, let's do it, let's build it. And that's how we started.
Tech has always been, a primary interest of mine. So, and I've actually always wanted to be in the entrepreneurial world. And so when I left my previous company, that's what I did. I started my own company, and Atella approached me with this idea to do something in the real estate management or property management space. And so we actually started doing a bunch of research on the space. We knew some people in property management. We started talking to individuals about, what it is that they do just day to day, and what, are they struggling with? What were their pain points ultimately from a day-to-day operations perspective? We found that there was this gap in the market around service request management. There isn't a lot of software to help with that workflow and that process. And so we really wanted to plug that gap and build something that property management professionals could use.
Yeah, and there are almost 877,000 property management professionals in North America. So with that gap, and filling that gap would help so many professionals in their day-to-day lives, which was one of the motivations we had. We really hope you like the story how ReMendIt was born. We are very excited to bring this new technology in the market. Please check us out at ReMendIt.com.